Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video I'm going to be showing you how you can swap your BNB into USDT on the Binance application. And first things first, we open up our Binance app, and once that's done, we simply head over to the convert section right here. You give it some time to load in, and once it's done loading in, we're going to be converting our BNB to USDT. So you select USDT, and now we're going to be converting 0.002 BNB, which is, after clicking preview conversion, which is equivalent to 0.5527 USDT. And you simply click convert. Okay, you click convert. Okay guys, and you simply click on convert, and boom, the conversion is done. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can swap your BNB to USDT, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.